Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today, we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Delve into the captivating world of digging, where powerful machines undertake the arduous task of unearthing the Earth's treasures. The process of excavation is a testament to human engineering and technological prowess, essential for various industries, from construction to mining. These colossal machines, equipped with advanced technology and raw power, sculpt the landscape, extracting valuable resources, creating foundations for new structures, and supporting the infrastructure that fuels our daily lives. As they delve deep into the earth, they exemplify the delicate balance between harnessing natural resources and preserving the environment. Step into the world of trenching with the TESMEC 1475 XL Evo, a technological marvel designed for precision excavation. This powerful machine is the cornerstone of trenching for everything from utility lines to infrastructure development. It seamlessly combines the power and precision needed to dig deep and narrow channels in the ground while minimizing environmental damage. As we explore the art of trenching, we see a remarkable synergy between technology and the demands of modern construction. The TESMEC 1475 XL Evo plays a key role in ensuring that utilities, cables, and pipelines are laid efficiently and accurately underground. Explore the meticulous process of harvesting beets with the ROBOTIC 5, a machine designed to delicately extract these colorful root vegetables from the ground. The art of beetroot digging lies in striking the perfect balance between precision and gentleness, ensuring that the product remains intact and ready for processing. The ROBOTIC 5 is a testament to the harmonious combination of advanced technology and the gifts of nature. It skillfully maneuvers through the fields, carefully uprooting the beets, leaving minimal damage to the soil. This machine plays a key role in agricultural operations, helping farmers harvest efficiently and deliver these delicious vegetables to our tables. See how innovation and nature join forces to provide the world with fresh and healthy food. Step into the realm of field fertilization with the Hydro-Trike, a remarkable machine that plays a crucial role in enhancing crop productivity. Fertilization is an essential practice in modern agriculture, ensuring that crops receive the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. The Hydro-Trike excels in this task with its innovative design and technology that facilitates precise and efficient application of fertilizers. It navigates vast agricultural fields, delivering nutrients with accuracy, promoting optimal crop development, and contributing to increased yields. In the intricate dance between technology and nature, the Hydro-Trike emerges as a key player, illustrating how innovation supports sustainable farming practices to meet the global demand for food. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Experience the world of tomato harvesting with the Barigelli BRP Gen 4, a machine that exemplifies precision and efficiency in agriculture. The process of tomato harvesting is a vital part of food production, ensuring that these juicy and nutritious fruits are collected with care. The Barigelli BRP Gen 4 does just that, navigating through fields of ripe tomatoes and expertly plucking them from the vines. Its advanced technology and engineering allow for gentle handling, preserving the quality of the harvest. This machine stands as a testament to the harmonious relationship between innovation and nature in the agricultural world, showcasing how technology supports the production of fresh and delicious tomatoes to nourish people around the globe. Step into the world of controlled explosions, a remarkable realm where the synergy between human expertise and advanced technology ensures safe and efficient demolition and excavation. Explosive charges are strategically placed to dismantle structures or break through challenging terrain. Skilled experts orchestrate these controlled blasts, showcasing the precision and power of explosives in reshaping the landscape. From construction sites to mining operations, these explosions are key to enabling progress and transformation, with the art of controlled detonation epitomizing human innovation and the responsible use of explosive forces. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technologies and their profound impact on various industries. See for yourself how earthworks unfold with precision and power under the guidance of the TESMIC TRS-1150, a marvel of modern engineering. This extraordinary machine plays a central role in transforming landscapes and shaping the world beneath our feet. Earthworks are at the heart of our built environment. The TESMIC TRS-1150 combines technological excellence with rugged durability to perform demanding digging and lifting tasks with extraordinary efficiency. These earthworks are the silent but important choreographers of urban development and infrastructure expansion, where every scoop and load redefines our environment. Immerse yourself in the fascinating world of logging as you discover the painstaking art of turning raw wood into perfectly sized logs, each designed to keep homes warm during the cold winter months. The firewood production line, which includes a range of modern equipment such as log splitters, conveyors, and even automated stacking systems, manages this complex choreography. From the initial felling of the trees to the precise splitting of the logs, every step in the process is fine-tuned for optimum efficiency. This modern marvel ensures that each piece of firewood is aged and sized to perfection, ready to become a reliable source of warmth and comfort for countless households. Take a look at the fascinating interplay between technology and the environment, and how innovation is turning wood into a sustainable source of heat, while preserving natural resources for future generations. Explore the advanced world of robotic cabbage harvesting with the remarkable robot SAMI 4.0, a groundbreaking machine that is transforming agriculture. This innovative robot works in the field with high precision, efficiently identifying and gently harvesting ripe cabbage heads. By automating this time-consuming process, it not only increases productivity, but also reduces the physical strain on farm workers. The SAMI 4.0 is a testament to the seamless combination of technology and agriculture, ensuring the efficient and sustainable cultivation of this nutritious vegetable. Step into the fascinating world of crane installation, where precision, power, and engineering excellence come together to create towering machines that redefine urban skylines. These colossal structures are a testament to human ingenuity, capable of lifting immense weights with finesse and delivering the materials needed for construction high above the ground. As we delve into the intricacies of crane installation, we gain a profound appreciation for the role they play in shaping our cities and enabling architectural wonders. From assembling these giants to understanding the meticulous planning behind their deployment, this process exemplifies the harmonious blend of technology and human expertise. Witness how cranes are not just machines, but also symbols of progress and ambition, essential to building the world around us. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!